Should I delay Medicare Part B if I have employer insurance? Imagine you're still working past the age of 65 and wondering if you should sign up for Medicare Part B. It can feel confusing, but understanding your options is key. If you have health insurance through your job or your spouse's job, you might be able to hold off on enrolling in Medicare Part B without penalty. Medicare Part B covers doctor visits, outpatient care, and other medical services, and most people pay a monthly premium for it. When you're still working and covered by employer insurance, Medicare considers that your primary coverage. That means you don't need to sign up for Part B right away. As long as your employer provides group health coverage, you can delay enrolling in Part B without facing a late enrollment penalty. This is true whether you or your spouse are still working. But keep in mind, once you stop working or lose your employer insurance, you have an 8-month window called a special enrollment period to sign up for Part B. This period starts the month your job ends or your employer coverage stops. During this time, you can enroll without penalty. It's important to act within this window because if you miss it, you might face a penalty and have to wait until the next general enrollment period. The general enrollment period runs from January 1st to March 31st each year. If you wait until then to sign up after losing your employer coverage, your Medicare coverage won't start until July 1st. Plus, you will pay a late enrollment penalty, which is 10% of the standard Part B premium for each full 12 months you could have had Part B but didn't sign up. If you stay on COBRA coverage after leaving your job, that does not reset your enrollment window. When COBRA ends, you need to enroll in Part B during your 8-month special enrollment period. Waiting until COBRA coverage ends means you might have to wait until the next general enrollment period, which could delay your coverage and increase costs. Retiree health insurance from a previous employer does not count as current employer coverage. If you only have retiree insurance, it's best to sign up for Medicare Part B when you turn 65 to avoid penalties. If your employer has fewer than 100 employees, Medicare might be your primary coverage. In that case, you should enroll in Part B when you become eligible. But if your employer has 100 or more employees, their insurance usually takes priority, and you can delay signing up for Part B. Choosing to delay Part B can be smart if you're still working and your employer coverage is good. But once your employment ends or your coverage stops, it's important to sign up quickly during your 8-month window. Always check with your employer or benefits administrator to understand how your coverage works with Medicare. Staying informed helps you avoid penalties and gaps in your health coverage.